We're going to be heading into the Hammond's Candy Factory for a free tour. It lasts for 30 minutes. Hammond's Candies has been a sweet part of Denver since 1920. Today you'll find their classic treats at popular stores like Trader Joe's, Costco's, and many more. Cinnamon glazed peanuts.
That's who makes them, or what?
I guess so.
Before heading inside to see it for yourself, we wanted to give you a sweet trip back to where we got started, where we've been, and how, although we've grown from 1 employee to over 300, we've worked really hard to maintain the feel of a small, family-run business.
Inside the Hammond's Candy Factory, giant copper kettles are used to cook up sweet creations the old-fashioned way. Each batch starts with just 3 ingredients, water, sugar, and corn syrup, and cooks for about 30 minutes until it reaches a temperature of 324 degrees. Once the perfect temperature is reached, an alarm sounds to let the candy makers know it's ready. They pour the hot candy onto a cooling table, bringing the temperature down to around 250 degrees before adding color. In its original form, before it's stretched and shaped, a single batch can weigh 70 to 100 pounds. Next up is the candy puller. Here he's making taffy. This machine stretches and softens the candy, giving it that light, chewy texture that we all love. It's also at this stage that they add the flavoring. With this process, they can make a whole lot of taffy in just one day.
The inside that he's working on right now, that like the right color, that is called the core. The core is the inside of our candy.
10 million candy canes are handcrafted per year. Started in 1920.
I could ask that you guys do not get hit.
Oh, these are like the straight ones that you put like in your hot chocolate or whatever. Confectionaries.
All right, so I'm going to start off with our marshmallow table. This is where we make all of our marshmallows. So this table is all the way in the back of the room, next to that clock that you can see back there. This table is longer than a big yellow school bus, and we can make over 250 pounds of marshmallow on this table. So basically they pour out a batch onto that wrapping paper, and then they let it sit, pour some chocolate chips on there, or any of our other products that we have.
Did you know Hammond's Candies can make up to 10,000 marshmallows a day? From classic sweets to seasonal favorites, their production line is constantly turning out delicious treats in impressive quantities. Now we're switching gears and heading into the heart of downtown Denver. This vibrant city is full of history and culture, blending the past and the present in fascinating ways. Along the way, we'll stop by the famous home of Molly Brown, known as the unsinkable Molly Brown from the Titanic, and take in the stunning architecture of the Colorado State Capitol with its iconic gold dome and panoramic city views. Margaret Molly Brown, known as the unsinkable Molly Brown, was a remarkable woman whose legacy continues to inspire. She survived the Titanic disaster in 1912, famously helping others during the evacuation. But her impact goes far beyond that. She was also a dedicated philanthropist and an advocate for workers' rights and women's suffrage. Her historic home in Denver, built in 1890 and purchased by the Browns in 1894, is now the Molly Brown House Museum. This beautifully preserved Victorian era house features original furnishings and period decor, offering visitors a glimpse into the life during the Gilded Age. The museum not only tells the story of Molly Brown's courageous life, but also highlights her contributions to social causes in Denver's rich history. Touring the house provides a unique look at the personal side of a woman who left a lasting mark on American history. Next up is the Colorado State Capitol, a true symbol of the state's heritage and sustainability. Constructed in the 1890s and officially opened in November of 1894, this impressive building is made from Colorado white granite and topped with its iconic gold dome. The dome itself is covered in copper panels gilded with real gold leaf, sourced from a Colorado mine. The gold was first added in 1908 to honor the Colorado Gold Rush, and the dome contains 20 ounces of gold donated by local miners. This landmark stands not only as a seat of government, but also a shining example of Colorado's rich history and commitment to the environment. Our next stop is Boulder, located about 40 minutes from downtown Denver. It's known for its stunning natural scenery and outdoor activities. The kids are especially excited to go tubing down Boulder Creek, a popular way to cool off and enjoy the beautiful surroundings during the warmer months. We've just entered Boulder and it's 5363 feet in elevation. We're in Boulder, Colorado.
There's more waterfalls down that way. Oh, it's not that bad. They need a paddle. Wait.
To keep things safe, we followed the kids' route and checked in from time to time just to make sure they were okay and didn't need anything, especially since we were new to the area. Oh no!
This is should be here any minute.
Why is Carson so far behind?
What's up?
Oh no! Are you okay? We're at a different location now, waiting on the kids to come down the rapids. It's a pretty little park that we're at. Oh, this pretty area with the bike trails all around. It's very pretty here in Boulder.
That's not them?
Hello?
Hi! They're right here!
Hello?
Hi.
Y'all want to keep going? You ready to get out? Oh.
It's intense. No, it's not even that. It's intense.
Well, I'm tired. Like my arms just
Like,
pushing.
no, because like you get stuck.
And I got
And it's
on
like-
2 waterfalls. I got stuck, like in the waterfall.
Because the current's so bad.
Oh, like a
Yeah.
certain
So I can't get out.
Yeah, it's really bad. And it's like 6 feet deep right there. So like if you fall off, you're kind of like.
Yeah. We're at Pearl Street Mall in historic Boulder, Colorado. Historic downtown Boulder is a charming and vibrant area filled with culture, character, and a strong sense of community. At the heart of it all is the Pearl Street Mall, a 4 block pedestrian walkway lined with locally owned shops, restaurants, art galleries, and beautifully preserved historic buildings. After exploring, we stopped for dinner at Illegal Pete's, known for its laid back vibe and fresh made to order burritos. It was the perfect way to end our day in Boulder, and it was pretty good dinner, too.
Where else?
After a fun filled day packed with all kinds of adventures, we made the 35-minute drive back to our Airbnb in Thornton. There we kicked back, unwound, and ended the evening with our favorite card game. It was a perfect way to relax and recharge for the next day.